So last week I sent this exact estimation to a potential client that eventually became my client, and this was for a Notion setup and automation. It's quite simple, not as complicated as it may look like, but it includes project templates, some automation on the project setup, and project intake form, database optimization, and auto assignment logic with some notifications automation too. And I also included the quality assurance test. So this may look like just 11 hours of work, but this is not. It's not even $385. This is actually 11 full hours of strategic thinking, of systems thinking, of architecting a full system that is going to make the client save on hours, save on costs, because the way projects are being run right now is not the most efficient one. So regarding the Notion, why I like Notion, Notion is a very good tool that is no code, so you don't have to um, learn any coding. Basically, you don't need that. There is just that part regarding the formulas that you maybe you want to understand the structure of a formula, how it automates things, but this really doesn't require any coding language. So when you're building inside Notion, you're not just making pages or templates, because I know I see a lot of work on Notion out there. It's very simple. It's not user friendly, and this is the problem with most of the work out there. However, when you're working on Notion for a business, especially, or for any other problem, you're actually architecting a full system. So you have to think in systems, you have to think in problem solving techniques, and you have to be an architect. Um, we are talking about things like auto generating projects from submissions, or assigning the right people with zero manual intervention, or we're talking about triggering the reminders that come automatically to your Gmail, or even making sure that the whole system doesn't break when the data becomes too much. This is about scalability. So our systems need to be scalable. And yeah, so if you want to try Notion for your own business, I have partnered with Notion to provide you with 3 months free business subscription on their business plan. The plan is actually priced at, I think, 22 or 20 dollars per member per month. But with my membership link, you can get 3 free months to try it out with maybe all of your team at really zero cost. So if you want to try it, just check the link in the comments, and also please share with me your any challenges you're facing in your business, or any issues that you're trying to solve and you don't know maybe which tool is perfect for you. I can help you with that. Thank you.